Welcome to the QuMind guide to creating email invitations when using email lists and or email databases. For the sake of this demo, we are assuming you have already uploaded your email list and or email database. Please be aware that the next section will only work if the latter has been done. If you are unsure about uploading email lists and email databases, please refer to the video on uploading email lists and or email databases. In order to create your email invitation to an uploaded email list or database, you need to first approach on the left-hand side menu Projects, click on Project Management, like so. Once this page has uploaded, you will be selecting the survey from the list of options where you would like to invite your respondents. In this case, we will pretend the cars survey is where we will be inviting our list of respondents. Once selected, it will be highlighted in yellow, and you will go to the top middle and click on emails. Within emails, you will see an option New Email. You will need to click this to build your email template. Once in the following screen, you will see several options. First option is the name of the email invite, so please name this according to whichever system you may be using. Here we will use batch 1. We have a series of templates. Depending on your account, you may or may not have options, and you can select the correct email invite branding. You then have options such as subject, where you can enter in the subject, which will be shown to respondents, the from email address and the from name, which respondents will see when the email invitations reach their email inboxes. Below you will see an options for text. Again, dependent on your account, you may have some text which is preloaded and you can edit, or you may just have a blank box where you can enter your text each time, such as this example. In text 2, you can type in the text for your email invitation. We recommend that you describe who you are in terms of where the contact is coming from, the topic of the survey, the length of the survey, and any invite or instructions that you wish to include. You will also need to consider if you will mention the incentive amount if this is applicable. This text is an example. You can see as I type in the left, the text appears on the right-hand side. In order to include a link into the email invite, which will send respondents into your survey, you must go to the top of the page and select link. Otherwise, you can select link with text, which will give you an option to type in some text which will appear for the respondents to click on to begin the survey. And you can see here the email invitation is taking shape. As you scroll down, any text you see can be edited. You can see automatically you have the unsubscribe option included. Ensure the unsubscribe survey has been selected. And if you have different types of survey branding, it is important you select this under the option survey branding right here. This will be the look and feel of the survey itself. If you have multiple logos, different designs, they will appear in this list. Please ensure you select the correct survey branding, as this is what respondents will see when they click and enter via your email invitation. Once happy, click Save. And then we can test the email invite. So we can click test and we can send a test email over to our email account and we can take a look at how it looks and feels before we move to the next stage. Once happy, or if you need to edit anything, we simply edit again in this area. You can then move on to assigning the email list which you have previously uploaded. When we upload new lists, we need to click on Create New Sample. If we are reusing lists we've already uploaded, you can click on this drop down and you can actually find that list which has been previously uploaded and simply select it. And that will assign that list and invite those users into this survey. Otherwise, we can just click Create New Sample if this is a brand new list. And this will open up this screen, which is appearing at the moment. The first thing you need to do is click on Users and click on Source. Within Source, we need to type in the name of the list that we uploaded previously. This is the example I uploaded previously for this demo. And you can see the source, or better known, the name of the email list or database is called list1. And this is what we're going to type in on the screen here. It is very important that this name appears exactly as you uploaded it in your Excel CSV file. Any gaps, any additional characters will stop this from working. When you're ready, you type in the name of the list, you click on this green box and you drag and drop over to the right. You need to make sure that in the source equals, we also have the name of the list, list1. We then need to click on MISC and we need to tell the platform that these users are unregistered, they are also unvalidated, and if you selected guest status, that they are guests as well. In order to check that the system has correctly assigned the uploaded list, we need to click on this icon called Users. This icon will display the number of available users in the uploaded email list which you have specified here. I know that I uploaded 2 users, which means that this is correct and it has worked. If you've uploaded a list but you have not ticked guest on the options of upload, you can remove this option here and then run this icon and it will give you your total number of users. If for some reason this stays at 0 after making a configuration over here, please make sure that you uploaded the list correctly in the first place, ensuring you uploaded a list name or source, you've included emails and any other information that you require. If you still have an issue, please contact the help desk. When you're ready and you've assigned the name of the list or database, you've also gone into the option MISC and assigned the correct statuses, and you've clicked this icon and you have the number of users which corresponds to what you expect. You can click Save Changes. You will then need to give a name to this email list. In this case, I'm going to call it Batch1, and I'm going to give it the name of the project so I can reference this later on and save. This has now been assigned to this email invitation, Batch1 test, and I can save again. When I'm ready to actually send or schedule the email invitations, I need to click on Send. It is important to remember at this stage we must have followed all the previous steps for this to work. If you click on Send and it doesn't work, it means a step has been missed, so please do re-review the video to ensure all steps have been followed. When ready, click on Send and you will be brought into this final screen. There is information for your benefit displayed above. Please ensure this is read before pressing ahead. Underneath, you have this blue button, and on this option, you will be able to click Send a test email and your email will appear. You must click this option in order to proceed. This is a system alert, which will not allow you to proceed, and it will ensure that all email invitations are tested before they are sent. After you click this and you receive your email invite test, you will now have an option to send a soft launch. The soft launch will send, as per the description, to a smaller percentage of your overall uploaded list or database. The soft launch is there to protect your respondents and ensure they have an excellent survey experience. It will also ensure that you're happy with any routing and how answers are falling out within the reporting area of your survey. Once you've done a soft launch, you will then be able to full launch, which means sending to the rest of the email list. You can specify the number in the soft launch. In this case, it's taken 1 of 2. The system will calculate 10% automatically for you, but you can change the number of invitations you want to send on a soft launch. You can also decide on the date and the time you wish to send. This can be immediately, just by clicking send, or you can adjust this to suit your needs. When ready, you can just click send and confirm, and the system will now start sending. You can see in the sample there's 2 people, in the queue there is 1, and there are 2 people to go. In order to sign off the sending, you need to click this option here, which says that you confirm the email is ready and that you have checked the email and you're happy. Once we've clicked that, you'll see down here the invitations will start to send. When we're ready to do the full launch, or as referred to here, hard launch, so sending to the entire remaining list or database, you just click on hard launch, and then this will take all remaining respondents in the list or database and send the email to them as well. Again, you can schedule, and then you can click send and you can confirm. And you'll see that this is now sending out to all remaining individuals. If for any reason you wish to cancel a send, you can click on this red button, cancel launch, and that will pause and cancel the send. If this is pressed a little later, some emails may still get sent. So this is why it's important to test emails before they go out.